Hey there, are you tired of dealing with pesky doorbell ringers and wondering if Google Nest Doorbell Wired is worth the hype? For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on this thing. It's not just another smart doorbell that's going to make your life easier. It's actually a game changer for home security and automation. But there's one major problem most people face when it comes to home security: installation headaches. Therefore, let me tell you, Google Nest Doorbell Wired is the perfect solution for those who want top-notch security without breaking their bank. So what exactly makes this doorbell stand out from the rest? Well, first of all, its 1080p resolution and night vision capabilities make it a formidable opponent when it comes to keeping an eye on your property. But don't just take my word for it. Therefore, let's dive in and see if Google Nest Doorbell Wired is as amazing as everyone says. Now that we've got the basics covered, let's talk about what I like most about this product: its seamless integration with other Google devices. You can control your doorbell directly from your smartphone or tablet, receive notifications when someone approaches your front door, and even speak to visitors remotely using the built-in speaker. All of these features are super cool, but what really gets me is the fact that it's also compatible with Alexa. The good news is that you don't need to worry about cables getting in the way. Google Nest Doorbell Wired comes equipped with a rechargeable battery that lasts for up to 6 months. Therefore, let's be real. This thing is perfect for renters and homeowners alike who want to keep their homes secure without making a mess of their door frames. One more thing before I move on. Have you ever had to deal with a pesky doorbell ringer at 3 a.m.? Yeah, me neither. But Google Nest Doorbell Wired has got your back. Its advanced motion detection alerts you whenever someone is approaching your front door, so you can sleep peacefully knowing that your home and loved ones are safe. But here's the thing. What really sets this product apart from other smart doorbells on the market is its cutting-edge security features. With Google Nest Doorbell Wired, you get 30 days of video history stored securely in the cloud, as well as real-time alerts when someone approaches your front door. Therefore, let's talk about some of these advanced features in more detail. First off, we've got what Google calls person detection, which is basically a fancy way of saying that this thing can tell the difference between a person and an animal or object approaching your front door. No small feat, if you ask me. Therefore, when someone approaches your front door, you'll get a notification with a time-stamped video clip so you can see exactly who it was. But there's more. Google Nest Doorbell Wired also comes equipped with a built-in speaker that lets you communicate with visitors remotely. Think about it, no more trying to squeeze through the door to let in the pizza delivery guy, or answering the door for your neighbor, while simultaneously dealing with a tantrum-throwing toddler. And don't even get me started on how much I love the fact that this thing is wireless. Not only does that make installation a breeze, but it also gives you more flexibility when it comes to placing your doorbell where you need it most. But what really gets my goat, and by that, I mean makes me excited about Google Nest Doorbell Wired, is its seamless integration with other smart home devices. So whether you're using Google Home or Alexa, this thing will play nice and let you control all your smart devices from one place. No more juggling multiple apps or worrying about compatibility issues. But here's the catch. Even though Google Nest Doorbell Wired is wireless, it still requires a power source to charge its battery. Therefore, I recommend getting a power outlet installed near your front door for optimal performance. And finally, let's talk about one last thing that really puts this product over the top: its affordability. With prices starting at just $129.99, you can get top-notch security and automation without breaking the bank. What more could you ask for? So there you have it, folks. Google Nest Doorbell Wired is an absolute game changer when it comes to home security and automation. But don't take my word for it. Check out these real customer reviews on Amazon. For a limited time, get 15% off your purchase with this exclusive discount link in the description below.